Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering, what's the deal with Relay Pay? Is there a better way to do this? If you're tired of the same old payment routine and looking for a fresh approach, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of Relay Pay alternatives and discover options that might just revolutionize how you handle your finances. Understanding Relay Pay. Before we explore the alternatives, let's quickly recap what Relay Pay is and does. It's a payment platform that primarily focuses on, briefly explain Relay Pay's core features and target audience. While it might work for some, it's essential to weigh your options and find a solution that perfectly aligns with your needs. The need for alternatives. So, why even consider alternatives to Relay Pay? Well, everyone's financial journey is unique, and what works for one person might not be ideal for another. Here are some common reasons why people seek alternatives. Limited features. Maybe Relay Pay doesn't offer specific features you need, like recurring payments, international transfers, or advanced budgeting tools. High fees, hidden charges, or exorbitant transaction fees can quickly eat into your savings. Poor customer service. Frustrating experiences with customer support can be a deal breaker. Security concerns. Trust is paramount when it comes to finances, and any doubts about a platform's security can be a red flag. Top Relay Pay alternatives. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, the alternatives. Digital wallets. Overview of popular digital wallets like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and Google Pay. Highlight key features, fees, and benefits. Discuss use cases and target audiences. Compare and contrast with Relay Pay. Traditional banks. Don't underestimate the power of traditional banks. Discuss online banking, mobile apps, and digital payment services offered by banks. Highlight benefits like security, trust, and comprehensive financial services. Compare features and fees to Relay Pay. Fintech apps. Explore the growing fintech landscape with options like Chime, Monzo, and Revolut. Discuss their focus on user experience, innovative features, and potential cost savings. Highlight specific features that might be appealing to different user segments. Compare and contrast with Relay Pay. Cryptocurrency platforms. For those interested in exploring digital currencies, discuss platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Explain how they can be used for payments and potential benefits like faster transactions and lower fees. Highlight risks and regulatory considerations. Compare to Relay Pay in terms of functionality and target audience. Choosing the right alternative. With so many options, how do you pick the perfect Relay Pay alternative? Consider the following factors. Fees. Compare transaction fees, monthly charges, and any hidden costs. Features. Identify the features that are essential to you and prioritize accordingly. Security. Research the platform's security measures and reputation. Customer support. Look for platforms with responsive and helpful customer support. User experience. Consider the overall ease of use and interface. Additional tips. Test multiple options. Don't be afraid to try different platforms to find the best fit. Read reviews. Check online reviews to get insights from other users. Consider your financial goals. Choose a platform that aligns with your long-term financial objectives. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest trends and innovations in the payment industry. Conclusion. The world of payments is constantly evolving, offering a wide range of options to suit different needs and preferences. While Relay Pay might work for some, it's essential to explore alternatives to find the perfect solution for you. By carefully considering your requirements and comparing different platforms, you can make an informed decision and optimize your financial management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.